do me no good. I sat in the kitchen, I finished the booze, I took all the pills, sitting on the shelf. I'm ready to drown, ready to drown, ready to drown. There's one more thing I've got left to say. I've got nothing left now. I rushed out everything to spend my time with you, and now she's leaving. I'm here dying. I'll be raising up a shot glass tonight. When this life's over, remember me sober. At some point in time, we were doing alright. I can't blame you for leaving, I'd have done the same. Cause you don't deserve to get mixed up in this game. I sat in the kitchen, I finished the booze, I took all the pills, sitting on the shelf.